most of its contents are what is already in the public domain.
Okay.
So I don't know why they can't release the report. I am here because I was hoping the ICI will release the report. The ICI said they will not release the report, and I hope that the executive branch will release the report.
Sir, why is it important for you to have a copy of the report?
It's not important for me, it's important for the country and for the public to know sino ang may kasalanan sa mga anomalous flood control projects. Lalong-lalo na dahil sa mataas na ekspektasyon ng taong bayan na may magiging kalabasan ng mga investigasyon ng ICI. Kine-question ko kung bakit nung una palaging nasa balita ang ICI, tapos madalas mag-press briefing dito po mismo sa opisina ng ICI, pero hanggang sa huling araw ng ICI, walang kahit press statement tungkol sa findings nila. At dapat nating maunawaan na hindi ito kasalanan ng mga miyembro ng ICI. Actually, yung 41 million peso budget na inilaan para sa kanila, nung Disyembre nga lang daw, nilabas. Tapos binalik pa sa Treasury. Tapos nung January na, wala na sila masyadong mga nagawang mga investigasyon. But actually, one thing that I think will be more interesting for the public than the report is the transcript of the ICI questions ning sessions.
With any particular...
With all members. Let's not single anyone out because we don't know what was discussed in any of these. And I hope that these transcripts are still safely kept somewhere and that eventually they will be released. So, ang isang magandang maging ating panawagan ngayon ay isa publiko hindi lang ng gobyerno ang final report ng ICI, kung hindi, nananawagan po ako na isa publiko ng ICI ang transcript ng lahat ng mga sessions nila. Dahil ito po ay, I think, all the more needed now that there does not seem to have been closure on the flood control investigations.
Do you think that the ICI's job was done, or were they abandoned?
But obviously it was not.
Okay.
And I don't think, because they're not even facing the media today, I don't think anyone's even claiming that it was done. I think that there's already been a concession that hindi na-accomplish ng ICI ang kanilang mandato.
Because?
At hindi ito kasalanan ng ICI.
Kanino?
Ito ay kasalanan mula sa simula pa lang kasi hindi sila binigyan ng contempt or immunity. Kaya ang sana pwede kong sabihin, dahil I'm thankful na binigyan nila ako ng kanilang oras at they're quite candid, pero kaya hindi ko dinidivulge lahat ng kanilang mga sinabi, ay hindi kasalanan to ng ICI. They mean the best, but they cannot really accomplish their job because dahil wala silang immunity at wala din silang sapat na resources, takot sila kung tayo ay nasa kanilang posisyon, tayo din naman ay matatakot na babalikan sila kung maglalabas sila ng mga findings na ang mga makakapangyarihang tao ay sangkot sa korupsyon.